Hello. My name is Georgespratz, also known as Spratz. Yes, your favorite guitar teacher on YouTube. Welcome to another interesting session. How to decorate chords. An easy way to decorate or embellish some chords. And I'm going to use some basic chords. Sometimes a progression could be resting on a certain chord for a very long time. Let's take a song like this. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. And now I know, you see, sometimes if you stay on a particular chord for a very long time, it becomes so boring. So you'd have to add or subtract some notes from the regular chord in order to decorate it. So instead of playing 4 times at C, 1, 2, because he lives, 1, 2, 3, 4. I won't do that. I will play C major 7th, C dominant 7th, C6. 1, 2, 3, 4. On a regular minor shape chord like this, you can also do the same thing. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. And now I know. Is that not beautiful? This is so simple. In case you are not able to figure out my fingers here, don't worry. Look at it on the neck diagram and the chords will be clear. So on D minor, this is what I'm playing. D minor major 7th, D minor 7th, D minor 6. 1, 2, 3. On the first one, only one note is moving. We are moving from Do, Ti, To, La. And this is what is bringing the difference. Do, Ti, To, La. Can you hear that? On the second one, this is Re, Ro, Do, Ti. Re, Ro, Do, Ti. You can do the same thing. Repeat the second pattern on the third. Mi, Mo, Re, Ro. Then back to the second one. This is not difficult. This is so easy. And these ones apply to chords whose roots are on the 5th string. What of this? When we have chords whose roots are on the 6th string, for instance, C at E. And this is the shape here, the regular chord. And here, the note that will be changing is on the 4th. Do, Ti, To, La. It's much the same. So, because he lives, Do, Ti, To, La. Okay, so C major 7th, C dominant 7th, C6. And when we go to chord 2, which is a D minor, it's the same thing. Re, ro, do, ti. The chord will be re, ro, do, ti. These are very little ideas, but so helpful. When you go to chord 4, you can do the same thing. Applying the same thing you applied on 1 because the shapes are the same. Look. And this is 4. So on 5 you could do the same thing, but be careful because we usually end on a dominant. So you can add, instead of going to the 6, I will repeat the dominant 7th twice. So this is beautiful, right? So 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So when you come in here, instead of playing the whole thing here, you can change the whole thing over there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So together the whole song will be, because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all fear is gone. And now I know, yes I know, he holds the future. And life is worth living just because he lives. And next time I come to you, I'll also be teaching you how to include some blues to make it more groovy. For instance, name is Pastor George Mensah. In case you're looking for a one-on-one Zoom lesson with a maestro, hey, where else would you like to look? Pick the numbers on the screen and let's do it. And please, recommend our page to others. Like it, share, and leave your comments. Your comments are so important to us. There are many good videos here on our channel. So if this is your first time, please subscribe and click on the notification bell so the moment we upload any new video, you don't miss it. See you again and soon.